First time ever driving in snow, baby. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it's coming down. This is so crazy, bro. Woo! This is no joke right now. It is so snowy. Oh my god. My left windshield wiper is just not working right now. Snowplow, do snowplow things. Plow. What the frick? Bro, I can't see anything now. I'm having to lean over to see where I'm going. What the fuck? Bro. Oh my gosh. I'm so screwed. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get out of here. Much less get home. This is gonna be the hardest test my vehicle has ever gone through by far. This is gonna be crazy. It's saying it's gonna be snowing 5 to 8 inches at Warren's house. Oh my god. Wish me luck. I might be stuck right now. We're gonna see. But like, it is coming. We're gonna see. Here we go. And it moves. Yes. Thank you, front wheel drive. I think this qualifies as driving in snow. Something just tells me. For whatever reason, it seems to be coming out really clear on the phone. I might just have to drive like this for now. I can barely see anything. Alright, bye. Okay, I can officially not see anything. I'm looking out the window trying to navigate right now. I can't see anything, bro. This is crazy, man. But my Gloria's still trucking right now. God, I hope I don't end up going in the ditch. Oh, geez. This is gnarly. Alright, wish me luck. It's been about 30 seconds, and I can just barely make out someone's tire tracks. And that's where I'm following right now, in the hopes I don't go into the ditch. Oh, and there's also that line over there. But like that little line on the right side, that's all I'm following right now. Praying it works. Oh my god. I just saw a Honda Odyssey in the ditch. I think they went into a tree. Oh my god, man, this is scary. This is kind of scary right now. I don't know really what to do except keep going forward, man. Fucking hell, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Jesus. Alright. Not gonna lie, I forgot I didn't have the windshield wipers on this whole time. That's helping a little bit, but like, okay, yeah, that's helping a lot actually. Wow, I'm stupid. Okay, bye. Almost home. It's the final home stretch. Jesus, just whipping the wind. Oh my gosh, man. It's going so hard. I can actually see when I'm going this way though. Earlier I was going head on and I'm about to go back into the head on. Oh Jesus. It's just, I've never seen anything like this, ever. Just crazy. Finally on Wild Ridge. My foot is like to the floor right now. Oh my god, bro. This is crazy. We're gaining speed though. Probably too much, but I should slow down. This is kind of sketchy. Wow, bro. So we're gonna dig a little path up there for my car to follow up, and then we're gonna go ahead and try driving up it. Okay, bye. Here's my shovel. All right, here we go. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's like a foot deep. Woo! Bro. All right, time to start digging. This ain't working. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm stuck now. Oh fuck. I'm stuck in the middle of the road, bro. Oh, god damn it. We're gonna have to figure something else out now. Well, this is gonna have to be good enough. I think like right here is the road, and my car is there. You can't see anything, man. Oh my god. This is gonna have to be good enough. Warren's gonna have to figure something out. Maybe can get through right there. I don't even know. I can't get up. I'll just, if I try any more of them, I'm just gonna be stuck in the middle of the road. All right, my fear cold. Turn off the car, going inside. Jeez, I cannot believe I made it home. I'm gonna have to believe in a higher power after this shit. Oh my God, this wild. There's no track all the way up here, bro. Jeez, man, it's gonna be an interesting morning tomorrow. Oh, thank God I made it home. That was an adventure, to say the least. Wow. All right, I'm gonna go have breakfast, lunch, and dinner now. I'm hungry. Whew. Well, very snowy now. It's like, yeah, and it's only gonna be getting worse. It's gonna be snowing nearly all day today. 1 to 3 inches today, 5 inches Friday, or more, probably a lot more. Bro, this is just wildness. Damn. And they want me going for a $150 paycheck. No. Guys, repeatedly reversing in his driveway trying to get up it. Bruh. Here on Herring, and the road is just completely ice, bro. There's no grip. Oh my gosh, at least it's like, looks like it's plowed. But bro, zero visibility, almost. And this is the light stuff. This is only 1 to 3 inches right now, going down. Woo-hoo-hoo. Fun times. Literally up to my knees right now in this stuff. I'm gonna snow blow this down here, go up there, shovel it, and snow blow this again. All right, bye. There goes one of our vans that got stuck. Supposedly it's very muddy here. This is just like the longest driveway ever. Gotta go down this road right there, all the way to where that street light is. Oh my gosh. My vehicle is too narrow to drive down this thin ass road. Time for a stroll. What's up? Sun setting in. Oh, the snow is a slight pink color. It's very pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. And I thought that this was gonna be a crappy sunset. Huh. Oh, the snow is pink. Beautiful. Wow.